brutality. I am a mother of a youth. I have youths out there. I am a mother who controls youth. I have youths under me that I control. How do I feel when they have been killed, slaughtered, damaged? What about their future? Why don't they have conscience? Why don't they stop killing? What is SWAT? What is SAS? Are they not the same? A new one better called SWAT. Are they swimming words? And SAS! And SAS! And SAS! And SWAT! And SWAT! Enough is enough!
We're not ending only SAS. There are so many things to be ending. We should end so many things happening around us. Bad governance. If you look around, unemployment, bad roads. And what do you hear now? Problem. No light. You come back in your house, no security. What kind of a country is this? And the rich are getting richer. They would use cane and flog you out of the